code.
Oh, yeah.
So instead of having to type, I can, and also it records the conversation and it transcribes it. So later on, when you reach some other destination, you can get the transcript.
I hear you. Yeah, this is a job search platform, so probably not the best. That model wouldn't be the best for this website, but I think in terms of like hospitality,
if I'm looking for a job and I'm driving on the way, I can talk to it about job opportunities.
Oh yeah, but like,
why does it not work? It will complement what you are doing, that you are forcing person to type, and sometimes the person may not be able to type or read.
I mean, to make it more inclusive.
oh,
That's right, especially if people are blind, for example.
yeah.
And if they hear well, and they can talk, but they cannot see. So for the blind, for example, or anybody that is driving a vehicle, you're not supposed to look at the screen like some people are doing, and then they get into accidents. So it's in some states and countries it is illegal to look at the. And here people are doing it in the phone and in the motorcycle all the time. But it would be better if they spoke and they listen and keep their eyes on the road. So this is called caller AI, that you can call it with the phone, and it can make also, it can handle inbound calls and outbound calls.
That's awesome.
And that's a course that we teach at the University of Miami, and the students are making such AIs, and we are looking for companies that can deploy. And if you are interested in working with the University of Miami, we will invite you to be a guest speaker at a class like this, and you can tell them about your business, and if they want to do a project about your case, they will make a telephone number like 800 Chat GPT that can tell about your company and also make outbound calls. And also when he doesn't know the answer, it will call some expert in your company. So let's say that I'm asking him a question like I asked you, and she didn't know the answer. She says, talk to my AI guy.
I don't know anything about AI.
Fine. So if a caller comes and asks her a question, or the chat is going to look at your website and ingest everything in all your documents. But sometimes there will be people that will ask
I think
the AI question that the AI doesn't know.
I think if you're a type of call center and then you have an abundance of employers and you're trying to cut down on like the workload and increase efficiency, I think the caller AI might be really good. But in terms of this situation, this is just like a D, like what's
It is what?
You never know, expanding with it, but it's true. Talking about inclusivity, like almost like a means to end you guys. Just like how I have to work around like a camera phone line and stuff, so I have to make sure the color palettes and font size are like legible.
If you're interested in more information on GoSprout, which is our apprenticeship management platform, you can.
Yeah, information.
Oh.
Because he can come and be like a guest speaker depending on anything. You know what I mean?
Okay. You have a card?
You can take my picture. This is an example also of a vanity number. You understand what a vanity number is? Do you know what a vanity number is?
Is that what a QR code is?
No, it's similar to a vanity number is a telephone number that translates to words. Like you see on my hat here, can you read it?
Oh, those are words?
This is domain name and a website, and the phone number that translates. Like ChatGPT, the phone number is 800 ChatGPT, and the domain name is also ChatGPT. Do you understand that?
Yeah, I understand.
And each letter in the alphabet matches a number on your dialing pad, on your phone. You understand?
Okay, yes, I know what that is. Okay.
That is called the vanity phone number.
Yes.
A phone number that translates also to words that represents the business theme of a business. It's also the domain name.
Yes, yes.
and the website. So ChatGPT is also a domain.
Yeah.
So this way, you can call it and ask it, what is the domain name of ChatGPT? And it will tell you. ChatGPT.com or whatever. You understand?
Yes.
So this is, see, can you read this?
With more biz.
Right. So what do you think this is?
In terms of numbers?
Yes.
Oh, I need to see a
So let me give you a clue.
is that
W
like
is
9?
W is 9. It's in the end of the alphabet.
Yeah.
And I is 4. So what is Z?
That would be 9.
That's right. So the
Yeah.
area code is 949. You understand?
949. Where's that from?
That is the area code
Oh,
is
I thought it was a phone number that you just had there and you put it in letters. Never mind.
No, this is the California area code.
You're from California.
I used to be. But
Oh, okay.
It doesn't really matter. You can call California from here. You understand? And that is also the domain name is wizmore.biz. So it's a phone number, a domain name, and a business theme. So this company, you know what is a software wizard? When you click next, next, next. So this is called the wizard. And an AI wizard is a wizard that has also AI behind it, so it's not stupid like a lot of the wizards. You just click next, next, and they cannot talk to you and they cannot answer questions that they were not programmed. Or an AI wizard is a wizard that is intelligent, and if you ask ChatGPT, what is the Go Sprout company doing, it will go to the website and tell you. You understand?
Yeah.
So the business theme of this company is to help organization get more business.
Okay. That's cool. Yeah.
And this one is SEO, is search engine optimization, how to be in the top of the search engine.
Yeah, you see,
When
I
you
was
type-
talking about them.
When you type on Google some words, it will appear as number 1.
Yeah.
For example, if you went to Google now and you type WizMoreBiz, you'll see that the first one is this website that represents this company. You understand? And if you call it, it will be like ChatGPT will start talking to you. So when you drive in a car and you want to talk to an AI and tell your phone, call my contact ChatGPT, the phone will dial 800 ChatGPT, and without having to look at the screen, you'll be able to talk to him and ask him questions like, what is Go Sprout, for example? And we'll tell you. The only difference that what we're doing when he doesn't know the answer, we'll contact other people, like he will say, let me find if Robert Seals can help us, and it will dial and will ask you if you mind to join the Zoom session. And if you say yes, it will become a 3-way conversation between me, the caller, the AI, and you answering the question. And the AI will listen and transcribe and put it in the database, and the next caller that comes and asks a similar question, the AI wouldn't have to join you to the conversation. It will already know and will regurgitate whatever you told them before to the new caller, you understand? And in this way the AI learns, in addition to uploading the documents and scanning your website. So if you're interested, we're going to take a picture of this.
I'll take a picture
I don't know
of
if
it
you...
because I know that my
phone-
boss would be interested in it.
And if you or your boss, we will invite you to be a guest speaker in a class like that, and you'll talk about what you are doing in AI, and the students are doing a project like this, they will get a phone number that describes what you are doing, and put AI behind it, and then teach the AI about your company, and then tell the AI to invite experts like you and your boss and you to tell about it. Like if somebody asks, if I'm blind, what can I do? I cannot read and I cannot use a lot of the AI because I cannot read and I cannot write, but I want to talk. And then you will tell it, we have an AI that can talk to you, or call our number. The company name is Go Sprout. So it will be like a phone number that spells the word Go Sprout,
Yeah.
and call Go Sprout, and they will talk. The AI will talk to you about our program. And basically, what you showed me, and from your website, the chatbot that you made for the city and so on, it will tell about.
Yeah, like an AI generated conversation talking about Ghostman.
And we're also working with cities, like the city of Coral Gables. The director of IT wants us to develop it for the city of Coral Gables. It would be good to introduce to them what you are doing, because then they can do about jobs in the city of Coral Gables, just like you did for the city of Miami. You know? In the city, if you go to the city of Coral Gables, they already put a little chatbot on their website that can answer some questions. And we are working with a lot of other companies like FastBot, F-A-S-T, the word fast, and bot, like a robot, B-O-T. And they specialize in making web hooks for AI that can be integrated into a website. Like it seems like you have some integration between the AI and your website. Is that true? Is this running on your website?
So it integrates we integrate OpenAI into the widget.
Into the widget. So you can add another one with the phone. So once they click on it, it will dial the AI chatbot, and they can talk to it in addition to typing. Instead of typing, just talk to it and say whatever they want, and the AI will respond in voice, just like we're talking now. But it will be on the phone line.
Yeah, I mean, that sounds cool. I mean, that's a possibility. I could do that. I just think for now, just having the user just type it in. I mean, you have automated buttons taking